What's going on, guys? ChrisSVT here. Welcome back to my channel. This weekend I'm installing some new parts on the GT500. So I got some lowering springs and a drag setup for the back. I want to get the matching pair for the front, but not only was it super expensive, but I'm always driving around with my daughter, so I'm not sure if I want to do skinnies in the front or the same wheels but just like a regular rim, like 20x9 or something. I'll figure that out later on. I'll think about it, but for now we're gonna do the rears. They are 17x10s and the tires are 305. I will get those loaded on the Shelby and we'll get going to the tire shop. Alright, so here's the setup. I got some Mickey Thompsons and some welds. Oh man, this is gonna look good. I'm excited. Dad life. I have a stroller and a wagon in here. Alright, we are good to go. We got one tire back here and the other tire and the two wheels right in here. Trying to get a nail out of the front tire and install some wheels.
Where's this nail at?
It's like on the inner part, probably like. Oh, let me straighten it up. I'm gonna reverse a little bit so you can see it. Yeah, for sure. 17.
Those four slugs?
Yeah, no, they're welds.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Damn. When did you get those?
They barely came in on Thursday.
You got ties to the back?
Yeah. One's in the trunk. I came to get my drag wheels installed and to get my front left tire fixed, but they told me they couldn't fix it because it has too much camber wear on the inside. And I don't blame them because this company is really big on liability. So if they were to fix it and I drive off and then it pops on me, you know, they don't want to get in trouble for that. So I mean, I respect that. I'm just gonna take it to a smaller shop. You know, the only bad thing is that I have to be careful with my wheels at smaller shops because they won't really cover it if they mess them up. You know, companies like this will, but then again, that's when some restrictions come along and they can't do certain things because of the liability. First look, first look. The keys, man, they're looking good. I had to get some different lug nuts. So I have not done many first gear pulls with this car because the stock tires were asked. There was really no point. I would just keep spinning. So now that I got these tires, I could get some more practice in. I also want to practice my launches. That way I could take it to the track this summer. I don't think Famoso is having an event until August, so I'm gonna try to see if Sacramento is throwing one sometime before that this summer. That way I could go there. Man, it's a night and day difference when you have tires. It was a good purchase. Alright, so there you have it. That is how the Shelby is looking. I love the results. I can't wait to lower it. Stay tuned for that. Hopefully today or tomorrow I'll get time to install it and film that for you guys, so stay tuned. I know it's gonna look a lot better once we lower it. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. See you guys next time. Peace.